Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing some cable management in my room. Let's see, I got these cables I got to take care of. I got to fix all these right now. All around. Here, in here, and some in the back. This is the cable concealer I got from Amazon. Let's see how this is going to look afterwards. I got the ones with the bigger diameter, so I can fit and easily put these cables in. So I'm gonna start, I think, on that wall, going down all the way. Some of these won't reach, so I don't know. I'll figure something out. Gonna open it up. Double-sided tape. That's it. So there's no corners on this one. Yeah, you gotta cut the corners. Basically, you have to cut the corners, I guess, with a knife for the 90 degrees. So you need an X-Acto knife to do that. But to put them on now. Here's the screws. But I don't know. The tape is what I like to use. I don't want to screw my walls. I think I'll figure it out. I'm gonna run them all horizontally. As for the power cable, I'm gonna run that differently. Okay, I chose this position here. You can put the tape on this side or this side, but I put it on this side because I like the flat side better to show. So you don't want to do it the wrong way, but I don't think there is one the wrong way. You can have it installed this way and then you clip it, you close it this way, or you have it this way and you close it this way. So I'm gonna just put it on this side. That's good. Four cables all together. Let's see if this thing closes up. Yep, it does. For these three monitors, I have a cable here that's going down, and the power button for this one. But I got the HDMI for the soundboard going up through here. Now I have everything behind my desk. Instead of all dangling, it's all there. Other thing I gotta do is to get these going down. So there's two ways of doing this. One, you can cut 45 and 45 on this one. The other one, which I like, is to cut inside. So with the scissors, you can just cut this one and you go like this. If you want to go down and give it a 90 degree. But these are going to the back of the PC, so I'm not using that to go down, but that's another thought. If you guys want, puncture, cut a hole here, and have it attached this way. The 45 does look nicer. If you don't have a knife, then that's another way to do it. There it is. That's how it looks now. It's a little bit better, not too much different, but still, I'm happy with that. I don't, as long as I got some of those cables tucked in right into that. All right, guys, that's it. See you guys next time.